How to fix disable Wi-Fi on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy methods to fix disable Wi-Fi on Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will learn how to do it. So the first step is you need to simply forget and reconnect to the network. For that, you need to move towards or open the settings on your Android phone and then open Wi-Fi or find your network on your device. You simply need to tap on the I button to search or know about this network, and here you can see the forget button. You need to simply tap on forget button, and again you need to reconnect to this network by entering the password again. If your issue has been fixed, you don't need to worry about the other steps. But if your issue has not been fixed, you need to follow the other step. So the second step is you need to toggle the airplane mode on. For that, you need to swipe towards this notification panel bar and select the airplane mode. And once you turn it on, you need to wait for some few seconds and then you need to again turn it off. This can reset your network connection. The third step is you need to check for software updates. Sometimes the error might be caused due to your not updating your software. So for that, you can easily hop into the settings on your Android device, and using the search bar or the search panel, you can search for software updates. Then you need to simply update your software. So updating to the latest version can fix the box that is creating the disable Wi-Fi problem. So the other thing you need to is sometimes the issue might be due to the phone itself. So you can easily restart your phone, although it's a simple step, but a simple restart can resolve many issues. For that, you can hold your power button and then a panel will appear where you can see the restart button. So as you can see here, you can simply use the slider and slide towards upwards and restart your device according to the different devices model. There might be different ways, so you need to simply restart your device. The other step is you need to factory reset your device. For that, again move towards the settings on your device and then you can search for the reset option here, and let's select erase all data option here. You can also find on your additional settings. You simply need to tap on erase all data and then factory reset your device. So make sure to back up your data before performing a factory reset, as it will erase all data on your phone. So the last but not the least, it might be due to the issues on your hardware. So if the problem persists after a factory reset also, then you can simply contact your phone's manufacturer or take to a professional technician for repair. So following all this step, your Wi-Fi disable issue will be definitely fixed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.